Your competitors are stealing customers while you're sitting there wondering why your phone isn't ringing. I'm Kay, and if you're a business owner who feels completely invisible on Google, this video is your rescue plan. Look, I know you didn't start your business to become a Google expert, but here's the brutal truth. If customers can't find you when they search, you don't exist, period. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Google business listing so customers actually find you instead of your competitors. And stick around because I'll show you the one mistake that's probably killing your local rankings right now. Let me guess, you've Googled your business name and feel pretty good because you show up, right? Well, here's a wake-up call. Customers aren't searching for your business name. They're searching for what you do. When someone types plumber near me or best Mexican restaurant or accountant downtown, are you showing up in these 3 top spots? If not, those are your customers going to your competitors. Think of Google like the world's biggest yellow pages, except now it's digital and customers only look at the first page. If you're not there, you're invisible. And I know what you're thinking. This tech stuff is overwhelming. I just want to run my business. I get it. You didn't sign up to become a Google wizard. But here's the thing. Optimizing your Google listing isn't rocket science. It's more like organizing your storefront. You just need to know what your customers are looking for. Comment below if you've ever searched for your own business and felt frustrated about what you found. You're not alone. All right, let's do surgery on a typical Google business listing and see what's broken. This is like CSI, but for your marketing. First red flag, boring business description. We provide quality services. Seriously? That tells me nothing. Your description should answer, what's in it for me? Not read like a corporate press release. Second red flag, terrible photos or no photos at all. Would you walk into a restaurant with no pictures of the food? Your photos are your digital storefront. Make them count. Third red flag, crickets on the review section. Reviews are like word of mouth on steroids. No reviews equals no trust equals no customers. Here's why this matters for your business survival. Google's algorithm is basically a popularity contest. The businesses with complete, engaging profiles get shown to customers. Incomplete profiles get buried on page 47, where dreams go to die. You've got this. We're going to fix each of these problems step by step. Don't worry, no coding required. Okay, time for the transformation. I'm going to show you exactly what to change, and I want you to pause this video and do it with me. Fix number 1. Rewrite your business description like you're talking to your best customer. Instead of "we provide quality HVAC services," try "keeping your family comfortable with 24/7 heating and cooling repair." See the difference? You're solving a problem, not listing services. Pause and implement. Go ahead, your business description right now. I'll wait. Fix number 2, add photos that show your work, your team, and your space. Think about what your customers want to see. For a restaurant, food photos. For a plumber, before and after shots. For a lawyer, your professional office space. Fix number 3, make sure your hours are accurate and add all of your services. Sounds basic, but Google penalizes businesses with outdated information. If you say you're open, but you're actually closed, Google notices and it hurts your rankings. Here's the secret sauce. Google rewards businesses that keep their information fresh and accurate. It's like being the reliable friend. Google trusts you more and shows you to more customers. Now, let's talk about reviews. The social proof that makes customers choose you over the competition. Here's what most businesses get wrong. They wait for reviews to magically appear. Reviews don't happen by accident. You need a system. Here's the simplest approach. Ask your happiest customers to leave a review. Not all customers, just the ones who are already singing your praises. And when you get reviews, good or bad, respond to them. Thank the people for the good reviews and address concerns in the bad reviews professionally. This shows potential customers that you care about their experience. Comment below and tell me, when's the last time you actively asked a customer for a review? Be honest. Listen, you just learned more about Google optimization in 5 minutes than most business owners figure out in 5 years. That's not being dramatic, it's reality. You've got everything you need to make your business visible on Google. The question is, will you actually implement it? Because knowing and doing are two very different things. Imagine checking your phone next week and seeing 3 new customer inquiries from Google. Imagine competitors asking how you're getting so many leads. That's what happens when you stop being invisible online. Your homework: spend 20 minutes this week implementing these changes. Set a timer, put on some music, and just do it. Your future customers are waiting. If you want the complete step-by-step checklist for everything we covered today, I've got a free Google Business Profile workshop, and it will guide you through everything. The link is in the description. Grab it now and use it. Hit subscribe if you want more Google marketing tips that actually work for real businesses. And seriously, comment below when you finish updating your listing. I want to celebrate your wins with you. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert to win on Google. You just need to be consistent and customer focused.